boy Wonder.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back?
What up, snackies? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Guys, what's good? What's poppin'? Y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. How are all of my snackies doing? Y'all, today I come before you guys with some hot Cheeto colossal tiger prawns and a king crab. I did not put this stuff in the air fryer, guys, because my air fryer is a small one. I did put it in the oven. Oh, my cheese is getting cold. Okay, and I just took it out. Oh, it's a little warm. Can y'all see that? I'm gonna have to go warm this up again. It was piping hot, y'all. But anyways, let's snack. I made this cheese sauce myself. This cheese sauce, we're gonna start off with this king crab. This cheese sauce is, the cheese pull was way better than that, y'all. Yes. So y'all, I ain't had no milk, right? But I had sour cream. I know you need milk to make you a good cheese pull. Make you a good cheese sauce. So, I use some of the sour cream. I use Mexican blend cheese and cheddar jack blend cheese. A teaspoon of butter. Some jalapenos, some diced jalapenos. And voila, you have yourself a cheese sauce. When it comes to now you want to hang. When it comes to the shrimp, yeah, I should have cooked them first. I don't know what I was thinking about. Normally I cook them first and then put them in the oven. So they don't look as pretty as my other shrimp traditionally look. But that's a king crab. Let's get into it. So that's a shrimp. Some of it is kind of like, it look like it's melted a little bit. That's because, you know, when you cook raw shrimp, it's sweat. That's good, y'all. I'm at my cheese pull already gone. Oh no. Not you falling apart. I got some scotch bonnet pepper sauce here too that I may decide to use. So y'all, what's going on today? would not do that again. But I was rushing. That was my bad. Y'all, this just some diet peach tea. I was rushing or whatever. So you see, this side looked pretty, right? But this is the side it was laid up on. So you see how it's like flat? Yeah. So traditionally, okay, let me just dip that. How I do it is I dip the shrimp for a couple of minutes in a boiling water. That's good though. In the boiling water, and then I coat them. That way, your Cheeto stuff, your Cheeto batter is crispy. And y'all know I season my seafood, my batter with Chef Tina Lee Tarzan, because I just love her seasoning. That's good. I ain't gonna be able to eat all this. That was too. So y'all, Mike had me up in there watching some YouTube videos. Are y'all like up to date on like Vibes Cartel? Do y'all know who Vibes Cartel is? He a dance hall star in Jamaica, but he been in prison forever, in a Jamaican prison forever for murder. But some reports just came out that he was set up, y'all. They was lying on the man. So Mike been watching that, and I'm just sitting up there listening. And I'm like, well, what? Because when I first started dating Mike, you know, Vibes was already in prison. And Mike was like, yeah, he did all these murders and stuff. And I Mike like, nah, the people in the evidence pointing something else. I'm like, dang. They just been trying to railroad the man. According to the new evidence. According to the new evidence. Gotta wipe that off. I don't want y'all to see me wipe that off. I'm actually gonna eat this one with lemon. Oh yeah, it's still a piece of meat in there. Y'all, do y'all see Auntie B-Love around here beasting it? Oh my gosh. I'm like, I just want to meet her. Like, I don't have to do no collab. Not right now. I just want to meet you. There's another piece of chicken crab. So, yeah, she is beasting it, y'all. Doing all these popping collabs. This was the knuckle meat. That was on it. Meat falling out. That was just shell. People who do de-shelled boils, a lot on their channel, y'all the real MVPs, because I take a lot to de-shell it. To cook it, or before you can eat it, like I be wanting it go from stove to plate. From stove to plate. Woo! This is another Big Daddy. They call me Big Ellie. Oh, let me not say it. That's good. Y'all know this is Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. Oh yeah. My cheese ain't really warm no more. This is actually a day where I should have plugged this up. Oh, y'all wanna taste this? Y'all wanna taste this with this? Okay. Did it clear up for y'all? Can y'all see? Oh yeah. It's so tender. This is gonna be a short little cute little video, y'all, because I'm already starting to feel full. It's actually pretty early. I just looked down, it's 2:30. And this around the time I normally be eating. I mean, still fasting of late. I've been fasting longer and longer lately. I don't know why, I just don't be hungry. Yeah. This is so good. Spicy, but good. And I want to give a shout out to all the new snackies. Like, oh, I didn't finish that. Thank you so very much for joining us. Over here, we just like to chill. We talk about mental health a lot. We laid back. You know, we neighbors. I was just gonna blow this because my mouth hot. That was good, y'all. How is man? 15 minutes. I gotta give you a little water. Yeah, I love you guys. You guys are amazing. You guys are beautiful. Excuse me. You guys are amazing. You guys are beautiful. You guys are loved. Okay. Know that I love you. Know that I'm here for you. I appreciate you guys so very much. I am so grateful for you guys. Like, you know, you guys help me, you know, like it's bigger than me, it's bigger than YouTube, and I really truly love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Let's share this video. Share. Remember what our goal is. We're trying to get 10,000 snackies by December 15th. Yes, December 15th, okay? That's our timeline. I don't know what I'm doing with my shoulders, y'all. I look a hot mess. But until, oh, wait a minute, because I've been slacking. All last week, I was bugging. If you made it to the end, you a what? You a who? You a snacky MVS. You a snacky MVS. You a what? You a who? You a snacky MVS. You a snacky MVS. I love all of you guys from the bottom of my heart. And until the next video, love, peace, and hair oil. Love you guys. Oh, let me turn this way. They still just dirty.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like